Howdy folks, we're cooking some salmon that's wrapped in bacon. It's on the smoker. It's been on here for about half an hour. We're going to give it a little coating. We've got some sausage here too. Some deer sausage that's been cooking for half an hour too.
Alright, go.
Alright, we're going to take our bacon wrapped salmon off. Been on here an hour and a half or so. Cooking at about 250 to 275. Ooh, the smoke. That's the end result. We're gonna check our, is it recording? We're gonna check our sausages over here. Make sure it's done all the way. Looks like it may need a little while longer. We're gonna add this tri-tip to our smoker. We're gonna take our sausage off. Let me grab the plate. Been sitting on there for about 2 hours.